In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed your Instagram feed on your Wix website. So all you need to do is go to wix.com and then sign into your account. You then want to go to edit site. So click on edit site, which will then take you over to the section where you can edit it. And then once you're there, let's just wait. Then you can go to add right here and click on section to page. Then right there, you'll see Instagram. So right here, you want to click on this and then click on add this section. It's then going to add it to your website. Then once it's there, you can click on settings and you can then click right here on connect to Instagram. It's then going to send you over to Instagram where you need to sign in and link your Instagram account to this section. Now, because I don't have any public Instagram posts on my page, you'll see right there the account you connected has no posts. But if you have posts on your Instagram account, it will then show right here. And that's pretty much how you can embed your Instagram feed on your Wix website. If this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.